Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? This is your beautiful Mama B and B. My name is Edith. You're welcome back to Editorial and Emmy's family. Okay guys, so yeah I just want to show you guys how I prep for my family for like maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. Guys, this is it. I'm a Nigerian woman and I am basically in Nigeria, and I'm married to a Nigerian man who is a typical Igbo man. Listen, my Igbo husband, if he does not eat eba at least 4 times in a week, he hasn't eaten apple or eba with correct soup. And that is why you see me, you know, cook large quantity of soups so I could have them stored inside my fridge and freezer. And of course, you've already seen all of my soup preparations, the large quantity. Like, let me show you how I portion them, okay? And of course, this actually takes us maybe 1 week or 2 or 3 sometimes, or 4 sometimes, because that is not the only thing that we actually eat, okay? In a day, like for me, in a day or 2, I might not eat soup. I might eat maybe rice, beans, plantain, yam, and all of that stuff. Moi moi mentioned but a few, you know. So I might not eat soup all of the time, and that's why, you know, the soup might stay in the freezer for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, okay? So yeah, I want to show you guys my fridge. My freezer is been, you know, maybe a few days after which have actually prepared my soups. Yep, let me show you my freezer and I'll bring them up and line them up here so you guys can see how a Nigerian-based Nigerian woman who is married to a Nigerian Igbo man. That is actually a lyric, so for some people who are a musician. Nigerian-based Nigerian woman who is married to a Nigerian Igbo man. You know what I mean? Let me show you. And also, I actually prepared stew. My husband prepared the stew. Let me don't take the glory. My husband actually prepared the stew, okay, yesterday. Just a little stew, and you know, small pots. No, wait, and rice, okay. So this is actually what we're actually eating today. This is definitely what we're eating today, okay. And yeah, all right, so let me bring them out for you guys to see. And of course, you know, once since I have relatives here, my brother-in-law, my girl Elizabeth, my baby who is actually learning to eat soup. Sometimes my baby Beverly, you know, eats just soup, okay, and other times she eats just eba. Like, she'll just be chewing the eba like that. She will not put inside soup. If you put inside soup for her, she will not eat. But other times she will just be licking the soup. Maybe those times are the times that she is not hungry. So let me take my camera down and show you guys. And this is it. This is Isasa soup that I prepared. This line here is Isasa soup, and this line here is bitter leaf. Okay, this is afang. The afang would have gone almost finished. Guys, that's to show you how we love afang. I love to put them here in this small bowl so that it will be very easy, you know, for me to just grab one and, you know, divide it into 2. That's if it's 1 person that is eating. If it's 2 persons, if it's just me and my husband, I would warm one of this. And then if it's just me, I'll warm half of it. So you see, it's very simple, and trust me, I just try to make life easy for me so that I won't have to be cooking every day, because trust me, it's not an easy something to cook every day, considering the fact that I have, you know, not one channel, not two, no, maybe not three. You know, I work a whole lot. This I eat, guys. This I eat. This was not all. So this was not all. Okay, I'm literally just showing you guys this because this is my life, you know. That's how I do. This is basically how I plan, you know, how it stays easy for me, how I manage to, you know, work and make sure that everybody is comfortable when it comes to food. And of course, since we have other food that we eat, yeah. So that's it, guys. I'm also going to be showing you the pot in which I use to cook all of this food. And yes, instant 5,000 euros. So 5,000 euros. So hi guys, what's up y'all? How are you guys doing? Okay, check out my makeup. So I just made up and then I did a video on my beauty channel, and I'm like, no, I have to vlog, okay, before I remove this makeup. You know. And my friend came to visit me, Meme and King Emil. You guys remember Emil? Let me remind you guys, Emil is that baby that we went to go and visit when he had burnt on her mouth. Okay, he's so big now. Emil, say hi. That's my good boy. And that's my friend Mary. He's just a very happy baby. And this is my beautiful baby Bernice. Hey, and my adorable baby Beverly. And my beautiful baby girl Elizabeth. And this ugly boy.
I did the jelly.
Okay guys, so what's up y'all? We have a full house, and since I was just, you know, doing a little video on my beauty channel, I'm like, girl, are you gonna allow this makeup just go, you know, without filming, like, you know, doing a vlog, you know, for you guys? Let me show you guys that King Emil came to visit us, yeah, and we just did unboxing for Beverly's school uniform. Please, what? You say that again. She said, Mommy, please. I should wear your clothes. It's not, I'm not supposed to. This is Beverly's sportswear. She wants to wear it. She's been begging for me to wear her the clothes. Venice, don't pick your sister's eye. Look at me. She's just a very happy baby. So you want to show them your clothes? Yeah. The baby says, see my clothes. Alright guys, so I want to eat afang. Let me check. I want to eat my afang. Like the afang we prepared at the beginning of this month. We prepared afang. You know that large pot of soup that I prepared, those 3 large pots of soup. Although this is month end, this is almost the ending of the month. Peters, you want to tell them? That finished. It has not finished now, not all now.
My own has finished.
Your own has finished.
My afang has finished.
Okay, your afang has finished, but which other soup is there?
Zoli is
And bitter. You people are eating.
My friend is looking for who to sell his sister for him.
Okay, to sell stuff for him. Guys, see what I do here? When I cook like that, I will just portion the soup and put it in that, you know, little plates that I showed you guys, and then I would basically just divide it, just share it for everybody. Your plate is either 5 or 6 or 7. Your own plate is 7. Your own plate is 7, so that exactly. She said tell them again.
To avoid fights.
Exactly, so that whenever you want to eat yours, okay,
Finish your own. Just know you're not putting that freezer again.
exactly. You just gonna be boiling yam, or you just gonna boil rice, or you drink garri. Don't come and disturb another person because it's the same portion. Okay, I did that, guys. Did you know the reason why I did that was because of these hefty men, because I know they might finish theirs and come and touch either Elizabeth's own or my own. I cannot fit shout, so that's why I kind of divide the soups, and then I give everybody their own, and so that if you're hungry at any given time, just go and grab your soup and warm, and then you eat. You don't have to come and call me to put soup for you. I'm not too good in dishing food for somebody. I'm not too good in that. I get so lazy in dishing food for someone. Yeah, so I portion yours, keep it for you, and then when you want to eat, go and do that. Okay, so that's how I manage my own time and my family. Okay, I look beautiful, right? Oh my god, let me blush. I'm blushing. Baby Emil is playing. And baby Bernice, sorry. Guys, Bernice and Beverly, their name, man. Sorry, sweetie. So I wanted to Friday wear is uniform mufti. Okay. Leave her to come up. Leave her to come up. Okay. Oh yeah, come up. Oh yeah, come up. Sit down so that there will be peace, right? Good girl. No, I'm not done yet. When I'm done, you cut it here. Good girl. Okay, so I think we're going to go and give Taylor this to sew it. Either to sew skirt or to sew small gown for Beverly, so that okay guys, later. Thank you, my love.
Until she up to 2 weeks ago.
This is our second week. The next week is going to be the second week. Okay, no, she's up to, this is second week. You know, the second week on Tuesday there was no school. That was why. On Tuesday, second week. So this is third week. Yellow on blue jeans. So we'll have to buy all these colors. White, blue, yellow, green, pink, orange, white, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink.
White, yellow, orange, blue, pink, yellow, white, green, purple, red.
You know what we'll do? We'll just go and be selecting
Our clothes.
Yes, we'll go and select some of
She has white stuff.
Yeah, she has white. She has pink. She has purple. She doesn't have purple. She has purple now. That purple I wore her just yesterday. Yes.
Is that purple here? This pink, there's no purple.
Oh, there's no orange. She has, this is orange now.
But
So this is orange. This is yellow.
she has orange.
It's like this.
Green.
Green. She doesn't have green. We'll just go and check for the colors. The one we have, the one we don't have. Go and keep it so that you don't have. Later, guys. Love you, Look at baby. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, cut it.
These are